Ina ganop the gnoj Grande Alliance geshin get the gnoj agan study in an at the bap the gnoj got the jishnagan got a jituk chin shkuda da ban da hidum jit mabiso. How can it gawichiwach huge? What that is piouch gamag jeepin biot gamag now shkuda da banchi busuch. Tshiuetin Rail Transportation Inc. Isangasionia Shkuda ban Nada Shefferville which is Chibionata is Satil Hagoda Speed. Nishtui Genji it's Kanaso Genji Injigo huge Town Konigi Dajaks. They that's a go jigmatch Ganda Matamakush Gemagnada Awashat Agun Genji WO Sijnia Nyanta Shkuda ban we all been beat out Niam. Going to Yao Tuya Judy more, Gamagnia to go at Nendoitagonage now with down watch. Agonio Magania watches Piachna Eut, Agonio weekend opposition, the National Agoniznia, Ben beat Agoniznia, Ishkda the Banio Nada E. That's a GEU J touch. I'm a can GM how George Bearskin, a good thing that Chisasibi to watch it. We would the date moon week go up take the Goy Agonionia Gashua we take. Comedian good a game he Rodrigue Mckenzie isn't gas on a day that's a mathematical with you. I couldn't just a bit and that's a board of directors gain a nudge in the Tshiuetin have been beat agonage. I would a batmago notch it go Grande Alliance Radio program Jim Higo. What ya George?
What ya Christopher?
But we to moon and that my gosh.
When I stretch que eu da uma visão excursion cada redjipti como agora da min we saw that it just speak we saw an hour and 45 minutes to be in at the bus just a chick over say speak I know it's that I thought me right there start here. You've been being again when I should be on D Devon.
Oma, I swapped him to go in Giosh, Gamagin It's gone a scappy. I went in G. What Chuachi up and be Haganite. And I date him, yeah, we all have to be all sit here. We are what I could out the ban.
Story G. What's he going to game that actually snag addicted to reach to be also should have done that we all haven't beat us such. I'm sure he's just got it don't take it, dated that's to be also. Which got the more gear I'm gonna shoot and I text that or the Mabiso. I got the mask. We are now I should that maybe some speak that yeah like we are trying to go we're gonna start just go yet you be he goes gonna get I guess you better go game to taxi that
Jima the nation Mehmet Nathan he green EU got to been beat us the day, Agony to go Snaganich.
How could I acted in taxi game heat? I got stage where I got we all just got my slot. I just got more than go. Yeah, we all get that's got a more session. I would be more. You got session, now she got a seat. Just not your not my God, Bambi, he's got Bambi had the guy. That ban. Ask when it's got the more, the more. I go watch it, David Senior. I'm in G here, the what G here. How am I gonna start? Mexico to go. Then the statue. Taxi I get to go. When I see diagonal to go, I see diagonal, I got G had to go. G did, we was a bit shit. Or Jesus' son, yeah. Now I believe Diamond Gate. They're Quebec. Go to be that G, G hit that. Right, just Jaga to be also G or Jayogan, but him each. Then we take an age. How do you get this song dog in the taxi? The meal be it gone again, that go. My we he could the Royal Gate, I stitch we order the beast or such.
Siop manu just the heights. Miam da Jiman Zatgo. In that cause you know, I think I used to do who gumguno. And if you mammed native now, good and care whopped him, then he. At Tshiuetin anos gehend ko one night da Jiman Zagobuna gama good skidum had a shan napan beats can I go to go on the who a bitch down here. Then I date him now gonna take swapped him.
You're gonna love that's the night him again and but to Bearskin on Tashim dating it's all. Yeah, my god. Yeah, I die. I die to one. We got again as Tshiuetin here. I gone. Let's go to the night meeting and I go no more. What do you go? Now you just cited to the year to go then at the stage or yes, same at let's me orbit head then you go, what do you go a year to you're gonna should have I bet to go speed then. I saw you meet and me no judge have the anymore you go. I did not have be smart at Russia, that's but I'm crazy she can touch the go not me, so no go I took a niche for to go now, we all. So I'm going to start and I did not have be smart at GG, I'm going to storm in Steve Chico Jenny, I've had to go speed, but I not me a year. How can we swim at night to me again and after man? This would not know and stone after that, and what does he man go now? We were here, but to desk now. But to desk now, and I'm asking day, reach.
Team agreed and I date him, and they snished I'll go with you. I should get off to get no GEO, Jimmy Obich, a man castle, never the desk, no, upon which the buck or you to eat the Gnij and the scum that get here.
Hey, give all my government light him here and that chest or date I took try, asking up. Not that night. He's smart at the these took I no, but that's going on. We saw we're going to start a Jen here. I was a GHP committee got a GPH gear. Oh my god, oh, toy. Oh, they sharp down. We not still see Joe and the GBH at the go. And the GP got their guy. Organization tonight to me again. What I'm again, or the Chisasibi seat, so that I guess or Mark Stut. How can they get in? Shall go 30 gas, the imagine don't do whole seat and I don't eat it. The jab show go now go. How can they swim at night to man? The I can say that or they sweet. Never just no, and I know. I'll go swim at night to me again. They shaft man here. I don't know who go. That's strong. That's strong. That's gonna. Man, that's what the bomb or the van ask.
Generation nicht na starsze Steinika go na. Agni negeshe mohigden about Ugod Shibimbido da van gesnackset. Mir mit doga mir I snacksko agadu jay mit stacksko zagon gema gababitats ne man zawa jaja I was kegen sanos genia umiji mom sa gazago de bepum hodach anji bishim yobchtawi yo ishnagni jgana da itan nishtam ish chigo shoptem.
Hey, that was good. I go very good in a Tshiuetin. Oh, the north or I show up to Kodasiano. I organize me of its dog of Nandi. Well, the G and out of that. der russet og ikke spiet og en dårligt og der under så er det at ja når man går lige data der må vi som i don't der og der var en masken ja man kan nu en anden der det næste Tshiuetin jeg også ej om skosia man kan det ikke gypsy den der det dem dagen ja ej ja då går jeg og der og det er ret jeg går ind og der var då der ويشتري سبيت تاعنا جينا وانا بوست دايرنا شكرا دا دويش وات نغا وصلنا يشوي فهم هي دوانا غاينا يا ما نغا دغنا انا دا بوستاغنا دا بنا دوات جيت دويش وين هجوبي دغنا دستاغنا غبنا دا سبيت تاعنا ما بيسو
Agda ha Georgia namdagna means gonna we vitem no guys going to share with them.
Giva I go in dagshit na gadai kai. Oh sai. G and G shimi meet sonana. Or dagsho meet like. Ja and I get these taken that get these we go ikana. And the wash that Scotland jau gonga vi say. And then the national gona here. Near that good man's algon and I have shisha I mean high school and my we say and I said you quick and I no that and ich stamp stats now die ich don't know yeah now die more no how going to get sharp man how and I got be check right it's good man's algon that's Tshiuetin man me go man kan ni gaba ke ni va ta ni fa to ge putte ge ni shei mo hi go da yo ne as I'm screwed that ne putte ne di mo no di yo to no ge ai ma gwin Christopher da chi sai ga di shni sik ai da ji spi hi go na vai go right stod daar dan je Shai so sigat bijgestaan nou is Matthew na mienskom is dan kas ook gaan daar met ai nog shimshin die ja en Shai daar die me item daar goed ja je kan gewoon dan schrijven en dan nog shims Mckenzie, dat was dan daar komen we niet gaan. Nog zo moet je ook komen zijn. Maar je kan staan die Jimstabs koken, Jimstabs koken en ja. Je bent dan schei. Dan staan die met store, Mckenzie. Dan staan dan moet dat moet en dan het dat Fort Mckenzie. Hoe dat je maar daar ook een schei. Da mean how we that yeah I got create and you to go there I dance mean go and I should do and used to read that a bit I got that chay that's just smart stacks are going in the dam like Stehen Swan Christopher that you have met yeah I've seen as you eat them star chay that
Nas como de neste.
I got that Christopher. Me go ask Jim heat no him heat.
Agda ja. Grande Alliance mean. Augen gans kumnano jge ji gno aptigno ju ya ba kumtagno chinet udaban maskno kopta udaban maskno da data use ya tukshna da chbutichtumo na da bismotach na da matagmi kia da data kilometer 257 nisham datum no minyam no nishashab gaitsajan he the pekin ho da data gabachtumj Bully Diamond Highway. Kun ma ga genop de gno chu da jiagno ga jins kumunano mino da chbachtumo da data aicha mudahonanchich LG2 Kumin na da iskai chwab maxtoch ga jibchi demo. Uda nishte noap one na da that's genop de gno go in wab maxtoch muga josh muga genop de gno mi na no jo stagnoch mug genop de gno study gainanoch. Kun get Grande Alliance I get genop de gno hi jimasknam no. Jeno da that's I chwin the back to here go da that's a guy dum to da that's a Bully Diamond Highway I took. Agun ni guisk to be schnack dagno gypsy siniganek tegno. Gama guiska be schnack tegno can transport Quebec standards hay na guiska ji schnackchen he. Safety ka ganop tegno gaja ji myachen he jimasknam no. Augen beg ganop tegno studies hay na Grand Alliance. A doing and site magan that you ji spin on that site wagon chagun ja bitstin magan in the taicha search hay na Grand Alliance. Gan da Facebook agotat that jaji gno up the mug. What ya quay?
What yeah, Christopher?
The nothing got right.
Rodrigue Mckenzie. I know in Shefferville, Matimikush John. You know.
Can you tell us what was your role in welcoming the EU nation?
I was actually, I'm actually a board of directors, a member of the board of directors for Tshiuetin, the train, Tshiuetin Railway Transportation. And I participated when you guys came over to Shefferville to greet you people and to show you how Tshiuetin works.
Hagen Neoshnui Chuan and the Tipstigino Jagan Juatin in Gantash Kudabanach. Actually been behind the board of directors and Anajach. Our Skapstiginos gone now, we may be tagging a jagutent. Jidagun to a Chui Chuan got a G. Jibaji Wajem Dugsgum. Ji with Madagsgod and the National to the night that show item. So what have you learned yourself with the welcoming of the EU nation?
What I've learned that I saw you had lots of fun to come and visit. Coming over to visit us, and to show you how our transportation railway works. And I had lots of fun looking at you guys, asking questions, and which was we wanted to be really informative for you people to understand how our railway transportation works. So I had lots of fun in helping you guys understand.
Nastashan Jimujikten gets your and got giddy and go they taxega mujik in go Jimmy Gwen got a chi nistum hiduk the national togan and Kianiana Pembitet in Nodaban and Gianianoskobam Pambitet and gone tabitsuna a Juadna Shkudavan go ouch been behind. Could you tell our pre-audience who owns Tshiuetin?
Tshiuetin is owned by three major shareholders, which are the Ino of Washat Mani Utenam, and Matimikush Lakjon, and the Niskapi of Kawawachikamach.
Agunia, Itown Kiaguta, Wachuadga, Agunji, Wioji, but Nisozgoji, Pembita, Niaganta, Ushkada Banionia, Jashnaganiga, Jaji, which Haganodgo, Iogo, Niago, Jaji, Pembita, Neo, Dabanionia, Witka, Matemakush, Gemagana, Kawachikamach, Kyoda, that's Awashat, Agunji, Bambita, Negont ayo shkudada ban outbita gnezga. What would you tell the people like how the railroad has helped your communities?
The community of Matimikushnak John and Kawachkamach benefit from the fact that they can transport goods from Sitsil, which is the Washat that we are here now. If anything, for example, like if you bought a four-wheeler, a skidoo or a truck or any construction material or any other merchandise that you would want to of course, the competitive prices of food or construction material is different here than in Shefferville. So they would benefit from the cost of transporting the material at a competitive price. Like really, it wouldn't be that expensive for people to transport their merchandise and goods.
Utashko Chudano Miama Bajumobichuda Udako Setil, not that how Alden Jane and Ganaga that Gamagan Godzagona, I'm Stugan about in Gagan and Mr. Boschko, Gamed Nathan Higan, I should get off them now and it's because Jimmy Bees go. The Goshnak session and gone payment stocks goes on a bomb Hudagan and Chaugan and Mr. Bach in Nagadoitagan, the Banashko, I'm an Augan and Gauch Meek Maska, the Chiwichitsko, and the Yemen Jogan and here near with the Shkuda the Banoha Bchatsiga. You do work with the mining companies. What's the history with that?
The history of the mining companies in Shefferville date way back in the 1950s when exploration and the feasibility of mining was looked at, and it has been looked at and operated since 1970. And the fluctuation of iron ore going up and down, mining closed down back in '82 and resurged back in the early 2000s. So there is still mining going on now. But that's the other thing is that we, as a transportation company, railway, the companies use our railway, and we use our equipment to transport the mineral all the way down to Sept-Îles here to be brought at the barge here. So that's the pride, I think, is that we can actually bring what is mined in First Nation owned company and operated First Nation also.
Chashko Bajuashka Jagan and Gawishtaj in the 1950s, Kiana 70s, 1982, Kiana Stabashka Jinakajbiogon, the Nadi speech Augan get the Piganojan Biopsk, Agmagan, Iron Orgation, Garajaganiumagan, Cheshashko, Dabit Shigunan, Dabit Stana, Yahut Habatodachin Gossani, in Gamiots knew that Jibach Bustas no Juda Haichach, Satil, Jiman Haitak, Agutashnak, in Go, which Abijin Ganta, Ishkda Bangiam. So, what is the future of Tshiuetin?
The future of Tshiuetin is also looking into always perfecting the service, maintaining the service. The railway is probably one of the major topic that always needs to be maintained for that our equipment run smoothly on the track. And of course, Tshiuetin is always looking to hiring First Nation. And we want, probably I would say, an image of always having 100% First Nation employees. But for now, it's probably to keep giving the good service and maintaining the service.
Inda is going to nation steps na stars na book site and go sa iyo go it's gonna say go which have been beat agno jogo company amogmaga da baishnaga nash mugma in the data na in Washington snacks go wiska up in beat agno mosha squisku in nagadita na nation steps go the g mu abcs ga the mu up to us ga agun in here then a 6 3 go up in beat agno job in the company go Tshiuetin is da ban ja I thank you so much. Any last words that you want to say to the Cree Nation? Because I know you have a past at Wamukstri, Kudrapik. So maybe you want to say something?
I just want to say, of course, hi to the people that know me in Wamukstu. Really loved working there, and I miss you guys. I really do miss you guys. For the project of you guys of the Cree are looking into. I would just say, just take your time. There will be impacts. Both you have to weigh the pros and cons, but it is at the end. If there will be actually a train operated by the Cree, the pride, I think, will speak for itself that it's 100% owned Cree. So that's where I am proud of having a transportation railway which is owned and operated by the Innu and Iskapi. So you have a sense of pride. So keep looking, ask questions. We are here for that, to answer any questions, and I hope to see you soon again to get more information that you need if there is any questions are still lingering for the project of the railway.
In was a snacks in gone taken up taken which could have been Mushashka, Tuxka, Mew beads got a gun, Yamaga, I got Mew beads a gun. Agmag is a chicken up maggots. Your question the Stabash to get Satan now. I took Scott. I teach a beads got a gun. In the cost, I can up taking again, Matsun got up taking a jet Satan Ocean, how can the schnack Umagish can up to Magadation stamp to Nianago, I should say much, the Nastich in the data and Nashko at state mats in Gaunt Keshpshire. Gesche Duxka, Nashcom, Taxiach, Nagin, Augen, and happen BTS, Nian, I go, it's gonna set Naskapi Mag, with a Nian of BTS, Nushkata. Yano, I imagine that I would have seen go, or Mox to you, and then G at the image and no Jamaja get Gishoitum. The Naskma, what's your name again? I forget.
Rodrigue Mckenzie.
I got a Rodrigue Mckenzie, and guess on the storm. Jadoji, Mama Shades, and guess what I got to watch when this. Thank
you very much.